Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be taking a look at the Triumph playing cards by TCC Magic. Both the red and the blue. Right off the bat, I'd say the best thing about these cards are the price. The red deck is a standard regular deck and is priced at $4 US. The blue deck is a mark deck and is priced slightly higher at $5 US. Triumph, apart from meaning a great achievement or victory, is also the name of the classic card effect by the Professor Di Vernon. You have a card selected and returned to the deck. The deck is then shuffled with some cards face up and some face down. Then, magically, the deck restores itself to all cards facing the same direction except for the audience participant's selected card. Here is the tuck box. The front is a large T and it says Triumph playing cards. One side of the box says practice is the best of all instructors. And the other says don't be someone else if you can be yourself. Pretty good advice for magicians. There is some TCC brand information at the bottom. The back of the box is the back design of the cards. Opening the box, there is a card prediction on the flap. The first special card you get is a blurry Three of Hearts, which gives the illusion that your camera is not focusing. You'll also get a Three of Spades, misprinted with the Ace of Hearts, for a 3-card Monty style routine. Each deck comes with one black and one white joker. Let's check out the back design. They have a nice thin white border which many magicians like. There are two T's for Triumph or TCC, however you want to call it, on the top and bottom. So this is like TCC's next evolution or variation to their old TCC playing cards. The cards fan nicely right out of the box. The Ace of Spades has an exploded pip with the alphabet T in the middle. All the card faces are standard card faces, which are perfect for Magic. The court cards are standard court cards with blue borders. Except for the hearts. The King of Hearts has his sword actually stabbing through his head. The Queen of Hearts is holding a red and blue rose. The Jack of Hearts is holding a 7 of Clubs revealed. Can you do a Pharaoh shuffle with these cards? I'm not very good at it, but let's give it a try. The faces on the blue deck is the same as the red. The only difference is that the backs are marked, but the markings are very small, which for me is a challenge to read even at arm's length. I will not show you the markings here, but you can take a look at David from Magic Orthodoxy's channel, which he gives you a more close-up view of the backs of these cards. Having said that, these are one of the most affordable marked decks you can get on the market. I quite like the back design of the cards. They are pretty good quality from what I can tell, and in my opinion, they will make great decks for everyday use. The Triumph playing cards are available from tccmagic.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. I would like to thank TCC Magic for sending this to me so that I can do this review. I will have more TCC Magic reviews coming up very soon. Check out some other reviews on the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.